Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we dive into the working of Burma dress, our project, into into live to your rooms in comfortably designings. Pick up and the bonds your designer. And the highest looks or you never feels. Get to ready to our way. Burma dress are the traditional designings or the familiar customs of your size. And the enhance your look and proved it in lovely Burma dress. I quickly or the highest quality. Quality remembers also to be in your love and purity to your designs and approved our language in Burma dress. Burma dress are approved to your love. Burma are quality highest in the whole colors and the mandala colors, color mixing matchings, designings, old and traditional designings, 100 design and the 100 ideas. Burma dress ready to one piece in the 1 week. Burma dress are looking to the very look designings. Burma quality in your love in on your clock. Burma dress are the 100 ideas and the 100 designs in our highest quality. If you enjoy this tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Tell me as comment in the iconic bell button. Thank you so much for